I got pictures of this old fire station before it got renovated. This one on the right hand side, really beautiful. They renovated it, but they didn't put kind of like old windows or anything. They did a bad job about that, but at least they preserved it. It's a good, beautiful monument. So I'm pedaling today. Let's see where we can end up. Maybe at the airport. Okay, again, that is south, that is north. Okay, those buildings date from the 1920s, 1930s, like this one. This says 1930 up there, and it's a beautiful building. Who knows what it was? The signs have been removed from there and from there. Okay, so the only thing left is the 1930 up there, and you can see the shelves inside with the rims and the auto parts and stuff. This is a Used Auto Parts Inc. CNL, Home Junkyard Junkies. Who knows? You know, maybe American Auto Parts. That one over there is a beautiful, beautiful building also. There's a bridge, and I remember seeing some gang altars for dead people right over there passing that bridge. I'm gonna go right there right now. There's my bicycle right there, and let's check out this building. The main entrance is blocked. I guess they attend you through there. You know, there's tracks there for the railroad to bring in shit, materials and stuff. So it was probably just a factory, just like that one across the street, which is a junkyard. You can see the recycling stuff over there. And there they are, managing aluminum and metals and stuff. And there's some old sign right there that is not visible, but those would make a really beautiful lofts once the area is cleaned completely. Beautiful building. This one, on the other hand, is completely abandoned. There's no life sign or business. It says supply department. It says the Western Union Telegraph Company right on top. The Western Union Telegraph Company up there. No date available, but the door, I mean the entrances, the upper windows are original. There's a little side right there, the bridge for the train tracks, and it is just a beautiful building. Unfortunately, in a really bad area and in complete ruin. Beautiful, beautiful building. I would say 1930 also, 1920 something, 1930. Beautiful building. Beautiful. I'm afraid of going through that bridge because that's where I saw signs of gang banging and stuff like that. That was years ago, 4 years ago or so. It may be a different thing today. I'm leaving my bicycle unchained right there. Beautiful.